Cycling is necessary nowadays, which can help to protect you from serious diseases. Moreover, you can also take multiple functions from your bicycle. Over the years, cell phones have become an important component of our lives. It is not just a mode of communication anymore, but much more. Mobile charging is a great panic nowadays, so you can use your cycle for mobile charging by connecting a motor and a circuit with charging base as shown. An air pump is connected with the bicycle pedal for filling of air in tires by simple rotating of pedals. Regular flow of water is necessary in an aquarium for healthy life of marine life. A small water pump is designed by connecting a motor with a pipe and a battery.